I know, I might sound oversensitive or I'm overthinking this, but I kinda know why people relate to the penguin so much. It's not because it was poetic, it's not because he escaped his reality, or because his biology failed him. He couldn't escape the whatever tragedies biology gave him. He was sick and he died because of it. And in some way, the system has failed us, and we kind of relate because of that. So I think I get it now.
Just want to like it with just want to like it.
So hi, this is Nia. You're watching Nia Vibes, and I came after a long time actually. But we here talk about the internet or whatever is happening on the internet because you can do that. So I decided to talk about the penguin because I saw it a lot on my feed. Like it was crazy the amount of reels I saw and the amount of people posting it on their stories. So I was like, you know what, we should do something about this. We should talk about it. Why not? I also posted this on Instagram too, so yeah. But what I feel like, first of all, we have to clear the fact that the penguin died because of biological reasons. It was not poetic, it was not a philosophy penguin, it was not all that. It wasn't even brave, let's just put that too. It died because of biological reasons. They are like, it can be many reasons. It was sick, it was disoriented, he must have had a neural problem that, damaged his sensory issues and sensory organs, not issues. Anyways, but sensory organs. He couldn't understand where the ocean was and where the mountain was, most probably, and because of that, he died. And the internet now has made the penguin into a poetic philosophy penguin, which teaches us the philosophy of walking away, apparently, and it is actually it is a really Gen Z thing to do, to take a penguin who just walked away and died because of his biology, like his biology failed him, and we took him and made it into a philosophy to change our lives. People are changing their lives because of a penguin. Yes. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing we do that, but yeah, for me, I think the reason I'm talking about this is because I never take a meme as just a meme. There has to be something happening there, because the amount of attachment we have formed towards a penguin right now is crazy. So I know this is not just a meme. It has to have some emotions in it, and that's what we are talking about. The fact that his biology failed him, I think the reason we relate to the penguin is that the system failed us, his biology failed him. So we have that in common. Like, his biology failed him and he couldn't escape that. He died by walking towards the mountain, having no food, no any resources, and he died. Same way, if we were to walk away from the system and the rat race, or I don't know what, but even if we were to walk away, we wouldn't be able to survive, because of course we need money. Of course we live in a capitalist society. We need money, we need shelter, we need food, everything. And yeah, we won't be able to walk away from the system. And I get it, like, people like, chase your passion and all. And yeah, I mean, you can do that, but then again, there are many people chasing their passion. Like, take it as a content creation. It is your passion. You're doing it, and as any content creator, it is crowded. A lot of people are doing that, and it's still a rat race. It is still a lot of people. And same way, if you're doing a corporate job, again, there are a lot of people. You're doing MBA, a lot of people. You're doing engineering, a lot of people. So you're not exactly escaping the rat race, and maybe it's because the system that we made as humans and we supported as humans has failed us. We cannot do anything. We cannot walk away because there is no, like, where would you walk away to? It's crazy, but and maybe because of that feeling and the desire to walk away, that's why we relate to the penguin so much. Because we want to escape. We don't want to live with the society like this, but we can't. And the same way, like, the penguin died, we don't have any option here. I also want to point out that it is so, human and human selfish nature to take a penguin, forget its own tragedy that an innocent animal died, and we just made it into a meme. Okay, we just took him and made it into a meme after, like, it happened in 2007. So let's also put, we are really late in noticing the penguin, and we just took him, made it into a meme, and here we are. making into ideal philosophy penguin and all. And yeah, that all happened, and I think humans do that because yeah, it just there have been like psychological research of how humans like to attach stories to stuff. There have been like research pointing out that even if you show like shapes moving around, humans will attach stories to it. That's just how, I don't know, we are wired to be. Yeah. But yeah, I just want to point out that maybe because of this emotional attachment to, like to walking away and our desire to walk away, that's why we relate to the penguin so much. And second of all, I think we also need to understand that animals do not have the same level of emotional complexity and a moral code of conduct like us. So definitely the penguin could not have, had this desire to, I want to live, not just survive. I don't think animals do that, people. I think it's only us. I think it's only humans that could ever have this desire to walk away from their own group and live alone or choose something else. Because in animals, if you have noticed, animals do not leave their own groups. They want to survive. They really want to survive. They will be in their groups. They will, live in their groups. Where humans can only have this desire because emotional complexity. We have different kinds of people and different kinds of emotion and different kinds of reaction to stuff, and sometimes we have this desire to walk away, which animals wouldn't. So we have to also consider that. And yeah, it is getting really long, isn't it? Okay. But yeah, I think yeah, it is really selfish of humans to take an innocent animal, forget that it died because of its own tragedy, and then make it into a meme, and also complain that the penguin got more famous than me. Yeah, that also happened. I saw a reel with someone saying that the penguin got more famous than anybody, which is why? Why do you? Anyways, but yeah, that all happened, and yeah. What else can I add on this? I don't think anything I can add on this. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but just that in conclusion, we will point out that we relate to the meme and we relate to the penguin because of our desire to walk away, which our system wouldn't let us, because we know even if we walk away, it's not leading us anywhere, and yeah, we are just doomed to failure because of the system we created. And nonetheless, we have to live in the system, and nonetheless, we have to somehow find our own success in it. And even if you are 1%, which is also a trend on Instagram, be the 1%, yeah, even there, like, think about it, 8 billion people, 1%, that's still millions people. So yeah, still a rat race, and we are still stuck, and we are still gonna be in this system. Might as well enjoy it, because yeah, what else can we do about it? So do what you want, to do, and don't think of it as a rat race. I would say that even if you're chasing your passion, whatever it is, doing content, doing music, doing art, whatever you're doing, don't think of it as a rat race. Don't think of it that there are a lot of people doing this. Just think that, in this system that we created, that we cannot escape, and yeah, I think this is what I want to do. This is what I want to do, and nonetheless of how many people there are doing this, I just want to do this. This is what I live for. This is what I want to do. Just don't think of it as a rat race, because it's going to depress you a lot. If you think, oh my god, there are a lot of people doing this, why should I do this? It's going to depress you a lot. So don't think that. Just think it's okay, even if I don't succeed, even if whatever happens, I want to do this. This is my life. I want to do this. Doesn't matter how many people there are. And yeah. Wow, great conclusion I have. Anyways, yeah, this is like the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me. No, wait. Oh, no, wait, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll have that link in the description. And yeah, go ahead and like this video too, because why not? And this is Nia Vibes signing out. Yeah.
Just want to fly it with you, just want to fly.